Howdy, Texas A&M family. Welcome to AggieWorks, your go-to platform for submitting facilities-related requests at Texas A&M University. Whether you're a student, faculty member, or staff, we're here to help ensure our campus remains a safe, comfortable, and functional environment for everyone. This video will show you how to create a work order using AggieWorks. If this is an IT-related request such as "my Wi-Fi is not working," please refer to IT Help Desk, as the AggieWorks system does not accept those types of requests. Assuming you're already logged in, let's take a look at the two main sections of AggieWorks: Request Maintenance and Request Services. If you need help logging in, please refer to one of these videos for assistance. AggieWorks Login for users that use Microsoft 365 from Texas A&M, or AggieWorks Alternate Login for users that use their own organization's instance of Microsoft 365. Under Request Maintenance, you'll find 6 options: General Maintenance, Heating, Ventilation and Air Conditioning, HVAC, Plumbing or Leak, Lights and Electrical, Elevator, and Make Ready for Res Life. And under Request Services, there are 5 options: Landscape and Pest, Custodial, Fire Alarm, Key and Keyless Access, and Space Information. Each link leads you to a form where you can submit your request. It's really that simple. Just fill out the details and we'll take care of the rest. Our goal is to make this process as seamless as possible so you can focus on what matters most: your studies, research, teaching, and Aggie spirit. Now that you've been introduced to AggieWorks, you can either stop the video here or continue to learn how to submit a general maintenance request in detail. Gig 'em Aggs. Under Request Maintenance, you'll find 6 tiles that make it easy to submit various maintenance requests. The first tile, located at the top left, is labeled General Maintenance. This versatile tile is your one-stop solution for a wide array of maintenance needs. You can request repairs and services for HVAC equipment such as air conditioning and heating systems, lab equipment such as autoclaves, acid tanks, or vacuum systems, and industrial equipment such as chillers, boilers, and compressors. This tile also covers ice machines and vent hoods. Additionally, this tile also includes maintenance requests for door closures relating to latches and gates, carpentry issues relating to hanging, mounting, and installation or furniture problems. The tile also handles washer, dryer, and oven maintenance, water heater, paint, exterior roof, windows, and other structural maintenance items. Let's start by clicking on the General Maintenance tile. A new form will appear with your name, phone number, and email already pre-filled for you. If your number is not filled out, you may do so here. If this request is for you, then leave the option to Yes. If this request is on behalf of someone else, then select No, and you will be asked to provide their contact information. Scrolling down the form, the next question asks if your request is to be conducted after business hours, which is between the hours of 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., Monday through Friday. If selecting Yes, then you will be asked to provide additional contact information, which could be you or another person. The next question asks if the issue is inside or outside the building. Please choose the appropriate answer. Then you can choose your building by entering a building name or building number above the drop-down list. The drop-down list will automatically filter for buildings as you type. For indoor issues, additional information about the floor and room will be asked. The next question asks about the type of problem. A common issue could be air conditioning or heating problems, so you would pick Other AC and Heating Maintenance. If you have an outdoor issue but aren't sure what it is, you should select Other Exterior Maintenance. If you have equipment problems, select the appropriate item from the list or pick Other Lab/Mech Equipment Maintenance. You can also see other choices in the text box by typing Other, and the drop-down list will filter all problems that contain the word Other. The choice you select will help direct the request efficiently to the correct technician. Once you have selected your issue, you can provide additional information below using a few tips, such as the date and time that you noticed the issue, additional information on the location, whether this is a repeating problem, the urgency of the request, and the impact to you or to operations. If you'd like to take a picture or document, you will be able to upload them in the next section. The next question asks if you need a quote for the request, and you can generally select No here. The last question asks for a Texas A&M departmental account number, and you can generally leave this empty. If we need an account from you, we will reach out to you, depending on the nature of your request. Pre-filling the account code allows us to bill against your Texas A&M account if the request is not covered under our standard maintenance services. When you are satisfied with this page, click Next to proceed to the next step. Here you can upload images and documents. If you have them, please select Browse to select those files to be considered as part of your request. If you have none, then please click Next. The next screen for work description is informational only, so you can click on Review here. This is the last step before your new request is sent to us. Please take the time to review the information before you click on Submit. If you need to change something, click on Previous to go back to the previous pages and edit your information. Then you can return to this page. You have finally submitted your AggieWorks work order. Depending on your building, your request is automatically sent to our AssetWorks AIM system. You will also receive a copy of the request that is sent to your email address, which contains an AggieWorks request number. Please keep this number handy, as this number will be used to reference your request. You will also receive additional emails on the status of your request as it moves toward being completed. Typical response time is same business day, but if your request is urgent, please reach out to us at 979-845-8300. For more information about tracking your request, please watch our other video, Search for My Request. Thank you for using the AggieWorks system, and gig 'em.